Hello everyone, welcome back. So I want to talk about who can use Figma. Okay, so Figma is designed to be used by a wide range of people involved in digital product development, right? And this include UI UX designers for designing interfaces, wireframes, and prototypes, graphic designers for creating layouts, components, and visual assets, right? Developers to inspect the design specs and CSS properties for implementation. Okay, we have product managers to collaborate on user journey and provide feedbacks. Okay, design teams for real-time collaboration on shared product or project. Okay, um, Figma can also be used by students and beginners, okay, for learning design and practicing interface creation. Okay, Figma can also be used by a marketing team for designing landing pages, mockups, and campaign materials.